Welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to fix corrupted flash drive or SD card using CMD. So let's get started. There are lots of methods which are used to repair corrupted USB or SD card. But we learn about CMD in this video. The CMD command, which is also known as the command prompt, is one of the high-rated and successful solutions to repair corrupted, not working, damaged or unrecognized flash drive or SD card. So first of all, when I insert my USB, it shows that you need to format the USB before you can use it. So I would try to format it. But it shows a message that Windows was unable to complete the formatting. So we can format the USB by using CMD. Click Start and type CMD in search bar and hit enter to open the command prompt. Alternatively, you can also open command prompt by pressing Windows key plus R, followed by typing CMD in the run box that pops up. Right disk part and hit enter button. Click yes, another Windows will open. We have to type list disk and hit enter button. List of all storage devices connected to your computer will be displayed. After that, type select disk, the number of your disk on your computer shows. You make sure you entered the number correctly, otherwise, you may format your hard drive. After that, hit enter button. Type clean and press enter button, wait for it for a moment. After that, type create partition primary and hit enter button. After that, type active, hit enter button. After that, type assign and hit enter button. After that, type format fs equal to FAT32 quick and hit enter button. Wait for it to complete. You can write NTFS instead of FAT32. That's it. Close the CMD. Then go to my PC and check your USB or SD card. That's all from today. I hope you like this video. Then don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share it on social media. You can ask about any problem in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.